why, so I can talk to you now. This is your girl Umoto lifestyle here. So the reason why I cook outside, I chose to cook outside because these are dengu. We are cooking dengu. Let me show you. Let me get a spoon. Look, it's cooking. It's still cooking. I need to cover it up. I just put it about 10 minutes ago. As you know, dengu usually cooks so much faster because I soaked them overnight, so they should be cooking in a little bit more. And on the other side, I have beans. Look, yeah, let me take this thing off. I hope I don't get burned. Look at that. We have beans. These are kidney beans. I love kidney beans. So, you see, this is why I love cooking outside. This is a two-burner stove that we have here. And this is propane gas that we've been having for a very long time. It's been staying outside, that's why it's rusty. But I feel like it's almost over, so we are going to exchange it maybe in a couple of weeks. But for now, the burner is doing so well. If you want to be curious, it's a cook camp. See, it's a burner. This burner, actually, you can travel with it. You know, if you are the person who loves to camp outside, or you love to go traveling, you can basically take this thing with you here, and you can cook in the forest. Sometimes I do cook over there under my pear tree. For those ones who don't know, I have 2 trees of pears here. This is the seasons and the pears are ready and we're eating it. The birds are eating it. The other animals are eating it. I'm so excited. We have 2 trees here. These pears, we planted them actually on 2015. Yes, there's another pear there, which is doing so well. We have so much pears right now, and that's my DIY swing set. I love that swing set. Can you imagine sitting on your swing set, which is a DIY swing set, and you're eating pears? So basically, when I'm eating my pears, I don't have to stand up. I can sit there, and all I have to do is to grab my pears and enjoy. That's what we call a luxury life. Okay, people think that luxury life is just living in a story buildings and driving fancy cars and everything like that. No, you can make luxury in any way you want, like me and my pears here and my DIY and my kitchen garden there. That is luxury to me. And also cooking out here. Whoa, I think I need to add more water. You see, this thing just takes a lot of water, but it's almost done. I need to cover it up, and my beans are doing so well. So I wanted to update you what I'm doing today. It's Sunday. The weather is still hot. We are baking here, guys. But let me grab my hat because I don't have a hat right now. Let me show you how I look like. Oh, guys, you can actually tell I'm literally sweating. You can tell I'm sweating. My locks are sweating. I'm going to wash them. This is the time that I don't like my locks because they look messy. They are not well done. The hair is growing and the heat. So, but I love my cook camp out here. Let me show you, because he's chilling here and sitting, and I can be watching the birds eating the pears. I can watch my kitchen garden on the other side. Sitting here, right here now, I'm waiting to cook my beans. I think we're gonna eat beans and some other stuff, which I'll be maybe showing you if the heat doesn't hit me up. But this morning I just had my breakfast as usual. Actually, I cooked my breakfast here. For those ones who don't know how I cook my breakfast, you can watch the previous video that I put, so you can see how I actually cook different foods here in my outdoor cookware here. Banana, 2 gas banana. And the reason why I chose this banana, I told you before, you know, I'm cooking right now, I'm cooking beans, okay? I think I need to add more water on these things. Let me show you guys. We need to add more water here because I don't want it to be burned. So I have water here. So we can add, see? I added a little bit more water. And I need to get something to cover it up so that it can cook faster. So I told you before the reason why, so I can talk to you now. This is your girl Umoto lifestyle here. So the reason why I cook outside, I chose to cook outside because I have my gas burner indoor in my home, but when I'm cooking things like beans, as you can see, dengu, as you can see, mango beans, as you can see, they really smell. Even when I'm sitting here, I can smell beans everywhere. I can smell dengu everywhere, mango beans. So can you imagine they smell in my house? Even if you put the air that sucks the air, but it smells. And my house is a two-story house, so you can imagine the upstairs. I can already smell. My boys' room smells beans, and the oldest complain, "Mommy, what are you cooking? You're smelling the house." Even when we cook ugali, it smells the entire house unless I put some other stuff to kind of disguise my smell in there, which I already made a video how I disguise the smell. But now this thing here, it's a solution for my house. It saves my house. The smell in my house is gone because these beans now they can smell out here as much as they want. They don't need to smell in my house. That is the deal. So if you want to buy this thing, you can buy it in Amazon or some other stores. If you live here in Walmart, they have it at Home Depot. They have it everywhere, so you can find it. But mine, I got it from Traders Village. It's an open air market here. That's where I got mine. Actually, it serves me so well. I've been able to cook so many food here. Sometimes I feel like I wish I can record for you the foods that I cook. As you know, this is not my full-time job. I have a 9 to 5 job that I do, my career. But this is like since I love social media so much, I love to share my experiences, I love to share my skills, and I love enjoy having friends online. Social media, we share different um, culture, everything we share here on social media. That's why I post videos. And don't get me wrong, I have gotten so many friends here in social media. Some of the friends we even met. Can you imagine meeting a stranger online, and then in the real sense you see the person who was commenting on your videos? And I'm like, sometimes when I travel to Europe, some of my friends we met in Europe, I was so excited to see somebody seeing the real Umoto lifestyle. And now the Umoto lifestyle was not a fake. She is real. So for those ones of you who have met, thank you so much for your support. And thank you so much for always commenting. Now you know Umoto lifestyle is real. And guys, if you don't know, very soon we are going to have a road trip. As you know, motor lifestyle, part of my videos that I enjoy traveling. It could be flying somewhere, it could be showing you a different sceneries and scenario. But this time we are going to have a road trip to another state, guys. It's going to be a long road trip, which I'm going to tell you very soon. And we are going to see the views, the scenery, scenic places. When you have a road trip, you can imagine how we are going to enjoy the road trip. So I want you guys to stick here. If you are not subscribed to Moto Lifestyle, I don't know what you're going to wait for. You are going to miss the road trip. You are going to miss all that we do here, authentic videos that we do here out here. You are going to miss my peers. Everything here, you're going to miss it. So make sure you subscribe. You tell your friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend to subscribe to Umoto Lifestyle. Yes, that's an airplane right there, because the airport, DFW airport, is on the other side over there. And that's why I don't want you to miss these authentic videos. Guys, there's a neighbor here. I love their flowers. Let me stay here so I can zoom for you. I love those flowers. Let me zoom for you. I love those flowers. Look, from my neighbor. When I'm looking them, I feel like I'm somewhere in Europe or wherever. But I love them so much. So my kitchen garden is doing so well so far. It's too much heat right now, but hey, we're heading there. But we're planning to uproot this one because I don't think we need them. So yeah, going on with Umoto Lifestyle. Make sure you subscribe for your girl, guys. It's so much heat. Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to do my logs very soon. Yeah, but make sure you subscribe. Let me go ahead and cook beans. But I'm gonna make a video how we are going to eat or fry the condiment and everything that we are going to eat. But for now, from my backyard, let me show you. And my cooking here, I need to cover it up. Seriously, I'm making these videos and they're going to burn. So let me show you one more time. The beans are cooking. And the mango beans or dango are cooking here. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.